they will be sitting today.
Yeah.
And the last paper is what?
Last
Physics.
paper is that- Oh yes, physics.
Physics for the students.
Yes,
Very hard paper, eh?
Yeah, the pure science.
Yeah.
They will be doing the physics.
And to all the year 12
TD.
students tuning in this morning, listening in this morning, watching this live show, all the best rangon be kimuni.
Yeah.
And also sinising na bitarong yan ang bakingo.
Right.
And kaya na namagita lang nga na bi kay so nin nanuma mo ni na bagay tabi kimuni kina. Ninawutsi ko na bitarong yan na sising na kanikua. Ya, ada binak kimuni lubi biti berbesi berbura.
Right.
Kita mga sila bi balimbula bi kimuni na kadar siapa cukup dapat dapat timah bi balimbula.
Ha.
And matak binan ko yan rambulu binaka. Welcome to Ouch Palang Show as well as to the two teams that
Right.
will be playing this afternoon in Lambasa
Right.
for the annual event Ratu Sukuna Bowl.
Okay.
All the best wishes to
Yeah.
both the teams and also the supporters.
Yeah.
Go ba kami deciding deciding game.
Baka nga di na nga
The
sa
main
takot
game, the
di na nga
main
sa takot
game.
sa netball, na
Right.
boxing, na rugby league. Kung go baka me na soka. Kung go na kay baka kay baka ko na team yan ang gangango, baka nang ganga todo.
Ganga to
Yeah.
ko
And buko di kina na nruka and na boni be tournament ken sa be event sabay pa kayo dero ita na koro turang iso. Hey, Lambasa will be packed today.
Mojo.
And it is from the hotel in Lambasa.
Oh,
And
fully booked.
Fully booked.
Fully booked.
From last week.
Yes,
Yeah.
the villas and everything in La Paz is fully booked. Right, even what's this, Pasela.
Oh, the
Pasela.
Pasalas.
You did it, sir.
Yeah, because Lambasa is a one-way town.
Yeah.
Right.
You just from the street,
Yeah.
Yes.
and if you want to move further, notice, you'll know because it will be traffic this time.
Yes.
Boy.
Because bus away, may kung basi meron dito tali may tumabili come like this to Sengkanga side.
Right.
Na Sekula side, they will coming like this out again and they follow Saint Mary side. Oh,
Okay.
fully packed.
Fully
Yeah,
packed.
not only the bus going in the one-way street.
Ha.
It's the tractor,
Yes.
na lorin dobu, Nangkasita, and all these kind of things. Eh?
Yeah.
And a lot of people going there, like they always hear,
Yeah.
Lambasa has the best
Labraska.
parcela.
Yeah.
Lambasa has the best parcela.
Yeah.
When they go there, they will want to try.
Eh, on the other
parcela.
hand, the business will be good in Lambasa.
Yes,
So all the
very good.
ladies selling pasela today, they will be smiling,
Oh,
knowing very well
yes.
that their pocket will be full today.
Yes.
Eh?
Pocket full.
Money, money, money.
Mani meka. Tapulo mo tamang buwan bola binaka tu tamay semi e parama manasangara tu John Kumar Mararabeli.
Yeah.
And also to Ifremi Mbalen Rokan Roka.
Right.
Watu anga industrial wena numitwani
It. Ramadan katuk no Eddie.
Iyo, nraki kay
Raki kay na
sobango.
sobango.
Lupe Kaitani
Chipachi.
LM69 Northern Osorindo Yandra West
Yandra.
Valu Mil Netherlebu and everybody.
Right.
Nemani Kumbu.
Yeah.
Good morning to you. Home long suwa tum long lambat.
Hey.
Ablog sumat
Hops Muli, Joe, kana singa. Good morning to you, the friend. Joining this morning. You know, this weather,
Yeah.
this time, imagination.
Yes.
November is December.
Right.
Yeah.
People are come together. Skuda Bowl is staying in Lambas.
Yes.
In the north, the main one, the
Right.
soccer already. This
One
one
right.
is rugby.
Boxing
Who will
already.
be?
Yeah.
Yes.
Who will be? People are thinking, Isa, I want this win to be with
Yes.
us. This,
Yeah.
Today you will see a lot of people, even though they are not in Lambasa,
Yeah.
even in Suba, you will see a lot of people wearing
See the fever of
army,
the
Yeah.
wearing police,
Yeah.
walu, and you know, even though they are not there, but they are supporting.
Kodi tuay net.
Yeah.
Isa walu-walu.
I just want one thing.
What?
This School Bowl.
Yes.
For my turang matagali to play for the police team.
Who's?
Nalodi.
Joely Nalodi.
Iyo.
He will be playing. He will be playing. He also a player.
Iyo.
He
Okay.
ran from 90 to the police barrack. He passed.
Yeah. He was
passed.
caught.
He was caught. Right-handed on the window
Yeah.
without a belt.
So the coach noticed that the speed that he got.
Yeah.
So he drafted Nalodi into the team.
Right.
While in the team, he was too fast again for all the team.
Oh.
Yeah. When they were attacking, why 5 meter me nalani squad.
Right.
No na speed to me adala squad telapolo.
Iyo.
Liwa ko agay mure na polo.
And he
On the
was
speed.
noticed.
Yeah.
He noticed that it's not the ball.
Yeah.
It's a stone.
Oh, so lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, Kodi twice, walu, yeah, and then Joe Max up there. Ami.
John Kumar, Walu-Walu. Vabimbani Tingo,
Yeah.
EDT, Gaji Road.
Okay, what's your take? What do you your words to the first timers in Lambasa?
Yeah.
What's your advice?
Yeah, what's your advice to the first timers who are in Lambasa today?
If you are in Lambasa,
Yeah.
remember you are in a friendly north.
Oh, yes.
People there,
Yeah.
you coming from different races,
Right.
Yeah.
you rich,
One color, one people.
you one color, one people,
It's a different color.
you got anything or
Correct.
you have nothing, you got a new suit or
Right.
old suit,
Yeah.
you have a job or no job,
Yeah.
remember, it's friendly north.
See?
You'll be cared and nurtured through
Oh,
the way we smile, the way we
Naka.
care about you. People in the Marcella, they will welcome you
Yeah.
Right.
with their food.
Right.
People in the sugarcane farm, they will welcome you with their keen knife.
Okay, life man.
Yeah.
They will welcome.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though you are new there, you will still like
Right.
that's your belonging.
So you can eat them myself. for
Hi,
free.
from Sakwada Selman and Matari Tua. Doriman down on the
Now.
Salu.
Ho!
They were asking this song Doriman down on the Salu.
Manjula!
Yeah, why senior Tambobo go Ami go?
Ha.
Ano pinaka naturangan na mataka di kuha? Yeah. Nasoba se dale ng buwa.
Ah.
They gonna betta ka and mataka pinaka ni kuha.
People are cheering. You know, remember this?
Yeah.
I saw Mami Toji's post.
Yes.
Police from Sabu Sabu and
Right.
Bets from Suba said, hey, waiting there. We are coming. Suba is coming.
Yeah.
So
Suba is
because
coming.
they are hosts.
Yes.
Eh?
The first time in Lambasa.
First time in Lambasa.
Yeah.
Sabu-sabu na buwalu and everywhere. Senganga or even a police post or
Yeah.
police academy from a north.
Yeah.
You'll come there and meet each other. Who will be in the station?
Coco Mel is sending us one text this
Today
morning.
will be
One message.
crime free.
Yeah.
Coco Mel Walu-walu.
Walu-walu,
Mareta
Cotomel.
Ratudoko.
Ami.
Ndrakingo Ami tunga. Ami tunga.
Yeah. People will cheering of their different team.
Saleh.
For me, it will be hard. I'll be playing neutral today.
Oh,
Yeah.
it really
Because,
is. Whoever
But he
wins.
wanted to be a policeman. He went
Yes.
to the, what you call it?
The
Interview.
recruit.
Yes.
A recruit.
I went there, but I miss.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the time my height was not on the standard.
Was not favorable.
It was not favorable enough for the measuring tape. And they
If the Messi
And then
was
the measuring tape deceive you, eh?
yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the measuring tape. From that time till now, I hate the measuring tape.
if the Messi was went through that the
Yes,
interview,
yes.
he would be a sergeant major.
Oh,
Or he would be a
He'll be very
police
dangerous.
constable or what?
Iyo, rosar nga eh.
Or corporal now, eh?
Yeah.
I'm very
Playing-
thankful. I'm
maybe
very
playing in the
thankful.
police team.
Yes.
Wakandua.
Maybe the captain of the team.
Oh yeah. Rosar nga, but
Oh yeah, you got style.
you got angle. You got the whole package. Langsung ada TV. Hey, I miss like missing teeth. Hey, bunin bakang kita asinara.
Okay, all the grog in Fiji, you've tasted the grog, eh? You sell grog, you export grog, eh? For the people in Lambasa now, why is the Lambasa grog different from the other grog around the country?
The Lambasa grog is very tastable.
Oh.
Not only by look,
Oh.
not only by water,
Oh.
Yeah.
not only by tongue,
Oh.
Yeah.
but by soul.
Oi!
Yeah. You see, because the weather in Lambasa, that change everything.
Okay.
If you have the mature yangona, and if you have the clean yangona, and if you have the sunshine yangona,
Yeah.
and you have a tastable, and you sell it with a good heart,
Yes.
everything will become a good profit.
Any place, well-known place in Lambasa they should visit before coming back to Suba? The new timers in Lambasa?
Right.
Lambasa,
Best place to
Best
buy
place
grog.
to, maybe the nightfall.
Yes.
just standing at the Y corner.
Why corner?
The Y corner.
Yeah.
That's the Y. Y,
Yeah.
the corner. The Y.
Yes.
X, Y, Z.
Yes.
Yeah.
Y. And I'm not a Y.
Oh, okay.
Going right to Suweni side.
Right.
Going to Lambas Town Sinimeri side.
Yeah.
And coming in Nasekula side.
Maybe Sia will be watching the game in Lambasa today. Sia is the first time she is to be going to Lambasa. And all she will be hearing
Just
today.
go to Long Bay.
No, all she'll be hearing today. Sia. Not knowing that Mbula Sia and Sia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sia
Yeah.
is Ambula.
Right.
Sia means Vinaka.
Oh,
Just like Mbula Vinaka. Mbula Sia.
yeah.
It's like a re.
Red.
Oh, okay.
When you go
yes.
to Lambasa now,
Yeah.
I miss that town.
Iyo.
Because we normally go to the town, eh?
Iyo.
In Lambasa, it's a one-way town.
Right.
Please, on your ear. There will be a train to Simadal sa tunga musdong
Don't,
sound.
don't off your ear, on your ear.
Yeah, on your ear.
Yeah.
Merong-rong ng dalinga mo, balit na on tal tunga na stima.
Yeah.
Right.
Pap! Just
Yeah.
like Kinesi.
Yeah.
Tu sartungo ka nawabu ni stima may Lambasa.
Yeah.
Sarungo daw ka di sa pondungo may narorong ko sa di may na stima. Kaya maramalebu.
Iyo.
Kasi rin ni
Right.
Kasang kaya nakabo ko, ngay baka likule butu
Yeah.
Ni takos may baka melak ba Long Bay.
Hide under her own skirt.
Ngay baka tumbutumay na ko kay Munro.
And what happened?
Huh?
She went down.
She went down.
Iyo.
He hit his head with his own skirt. He hit his head with his own skirt. May salah tali na nalik.
So her skirt became her enemy again.
Ato na katuro ng kasi ni India. Nakikat pa siya sa mga ko. Bala.
Hey! Free na pa sila.
Hey!
Katag sa ramihan, bital ka nun to from
Bila siya niya, ano estima iya, sabi na na, ganalo to. Bula siyam, bula rem, bula binaa. Isa.
Wini baka gira galo lesu.
Bis
tunggu
nga,
na kamelo baka.
bis nga nandrunge walo. Sandinde sinyo kuniti ko, sala indende mesa para. Oh,
Porto may feel 40.
Iyo, nukto dia.
Ano na kalats?
Why now
Lawan di
koko?
vibes. Mature ang na 1 year old, wara na wakan ni penapiu. Mix it with ndreketi ribaota, kandi na jengera. Ni sa songo na may na yang kono kay mix ta kapatikin na ndreketi ribaota. Oh, natui-tui na. Walu elestine tukana, bilay senia. Thankful he didn't get it. Yeah. Kotomel. Corporal punishment. Johnson Robe si kakaramu. Ang rabi na kasi, merenay gas tito ang bulare momo, ngomay momo me waitolu.
Right.
Bula binaka, momo samu,
Tasi binato dems.
bakandua. Hena P. Robin. Oh, Hena.
Yeah.
How are you? Employed. Isa, thank you. Stimbulum. Bula binaka, way uro. Saan ganito nakatabi uro? Isa. Inabaliw. Kito sa tapa, like, hatakan on the share on the live. All the best to the police and the army team for the Schooner Bowl.
Yeah.
It's
Right.
not about the
Who wins?
who wins.
Yeah.
It's about the way na non
It's
the
about coming
maliway,
together, right.
discipline,
Togetherness.
bring unity
Yeah.
Yes.
to the whole world.
Oh, yes.
All the best to all students,
Oh,
parents and teachers,
Right.
and the
Last paper
supervisors.
today.
To the two
Give it all your
supervisors
best.
in which school?
Lambasa.
In Mother.
Mother, Lao,
Mother High School.
Fish all day
Yes.
today.
Yeah.
Bye.
Graduation is coming for the student.
Right.
Next week. Some this week. Don't lie.
Yeah.